Hello everybody, so today I got here is a Lego City. This is a park tractor. As you can see, this is a pretty cool little tractor. Just so you know, this is the part number for this Lego City, and it comes with 86 pieces. And then this is what it looks like up front. And then here's the back. As you can see, this is the back, so that's pretty cool. Nice little Lego set. It comes with the tractor and possibly a trailer, but we'll see. Let's go ahead and open up. I'm just going to show you guys the parts that come with it. I'm not going to do any builds or anything like that, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up here today. So I'm going to take everything out. Alright. So it looks like it comes with this bag here, this one, and here's the second bag, so that's pretty cool. Alright, and then it does come with a couple of side projects here, a couple of these plates, so that's pretty cool. And whatever this thing is, it comes with it too as well, so that's cool. And then here is the booklet on how to build it. Right here, this is the tractor. So yeah, it looks like a tractor and a trailer, so that's pretty cool, and it comes with trees and everything. So I'm gonna open this up here and show you what it looks like. So yeah, this is a pretty cool little mini set, and it teaches you how to build everything, so that's pretty cool. So anyways, that's pretty much it today about this Lego City. If you guys have any questions about Legos, if you want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe, and I want to say thanks for watching.